Kumusta mga sadik? Welcome back sa ating channel. And for this video, panibagong vlog, panibagong tarantadora naman ang gagawin ni Riz Krian at panibagong pakilig moments na naman all the way from Indonesia. Riz Krian, episode 70 na tayo. So ano pang hinintay natin? Tara, simulan natin to.
No.
Ooh, man. Ooh. A sweet girl with a sweet smile. Take a look at this girl. Come on.
Pick apart your every word. Push it down like I'm unconcerned.
Ooh.
I've been damaged and it shows. Wonder, can you tell? Wait until you finally call my bluff. Counting down the days till
Ooh.
you realize I'll never
Ganda.
be
Take a look at this.
myself a mess again. Keep
Ooh.
up in my head. I know you handle it well, and you know I don't.
Knox.
Does it bother you a bit? Contorting myself, make it fit. I'll still
There's a lot of beautiful girl from Indonesia. Take a look at this one.
I can't really help this shit. I'm so vigilant. I am
Tangkad ah.
score. Just to throw it in your face.
Eh.
Don't know why I do these things. Don't wanna be me anymore.
Tinap pa ng camera.
Finally call my bluff. Counting down the days till you realize I'll never be enough.
A lot of girls smiling.
Again, keep it all wrapped up in my
Ayan ang tinatawag na maraming maluloko pag ganito kagwapo. Sungit ah. But anyway, take a look. Come on, man. Woo. Ganun talaga? Wala na. Wala na magagawa. Nice, man. Nice. I like your style.
No.
Knox. Ooh, this is the one. Beautiful girl. Hello.
No.
Ang ganda ng mata. Ang ganda ng tindig. Ang ganda lahat. Tingnan mo naman. At ang ngiti. Very sweet smile. Very sweet, very beautiful girl. is a young lady as beautiful. Come on! Ooh, alam na. It's a prank! It's a prank! Ganda pa naman yung ngumiti ito, oh. Tapos prank lang. Ganda! Mula ulo hanggang paa. Ooh! Hinila eh. Ah. Woo.
I've been waking up alone.
Oh.
Left me here hours ago. Obsessively check my phone. Do you even know?
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Pag ganyan ka gwapo, alam na. Yan ang mga style yan. Come on. Ba, sexy pala. Come on. Sexy ah. Itong series Kirian, bukod sa magaling dumiskarte, magaling mag-prank, at gwapo pa. Kayo, anong kwentong kagupuhan ang gagawin nyo? Ganito ang content na gagawin nyo. Diba? Marami na namang na-inspired, marami na namang na-prank, at marami na namang pinaasa, at marami na namang pinakilig. Series Kirian, all the way from Indonesia. Walang iba, Series Kirian, all the way from the Philippines. Babihang TV, mabuhay Philippines. Hanggang susunod, episode 71 tayo.
All we'll ever trust. Yeah.